Okay, Brett, instead of sending you the file, I'm gonna video it for you so it's easier. You can watch the video. And I'll scroll down slowly so you can see everything that I've done. And there's no, on my config file, only torch blade should be one down here on that one, which I remember changing it, but I don't know why it didn't accept the change that I made. So there's an issue with the config files that I'm showing you. So this video is going to be short. I'll try to attach it with a link so it's easier for you instead of sending the files. Only thing I changed up here was the twist sensitivity, which the twist doesn't work. The gesture control doesn't work. And then I did not adjust any kind of volume. Everything was left the way it is on the config file. I didn't change hardly much except for maybe timing down here on a couple things that I wanted a little bit quicker on the ignition closure. I mean, like I said, man, I know what I'm doing. I mean, this is way easier than Profi sabers. Profi sabers take a lot more coding. They're line by line, and then there's actually a line like 163 or 164, whatever. I mean, you catch the drift. So nevertheless, I need this remedied immediately because I mean, this is already a week going on, man. And I'm you know, trying to do some stuff, and I can't make anything happen with this kind of drama, pretty much, man. So help me out. Let me know what's going on, if you want me to send this to you or whatever, so you guys can program it. But I want some guarantee that you're not going to commandeer my sabers or try to commandeer them and give me the refund and not do anything about it. So you could do over the internet or recommend a sabersmith to me in my area that can help me out. I have reached out to other sabersmiths. I'm waiting their replies, but I'd rather deal directly with you guys. That way there's not any other issues with programming if they're not aware. But it seems everybody is pretty familiar with xenopixels and programming. It's pretty straightforward. Like you said in the video, like I said, like I mentioned, the color schemes do not match what's on the video that I sent you earlier. So I'm going to send these two videos to you, you know, and then you could decide how you want to remedy this. Thank you.